What's going on, friends and fans? Appreciate you watching these weekly sales tips. I hope you find them helpful. Hey, if you do, subscribe at our YouTube channel. Click the little bell icon. You'll be alerted every time we add a new training tip. All right, fall is just around the corner. This is prime budget season, prime planning for 2023 or for the next year. Never forget, friends, as we talked about in the past, timing is everything. Oh, Ryan, the end of the year is way a long ways away. Yeah, get ahead of the storm. See, a lot of you, what you do is you get a little bit of a thrill from the procrastination that you endure and you put upon yourself. And then when you get something done under pressure, you've got this weird little evil, like little pump that you get. You get pumped up because you got it done. Well, I'm a natural procrastinator. I just am. I kind of get a little thrill out of working under pressure. You might be like me. That's not good, okay? Get ahead of the storm. Start talking with people about what they're going to be doing with you next year. Remember, friends, between Thanksgiving and Christmas, it's hard to get a lot of deals done. Not impossible. Doesn't mean you shouldn't sell. But as we're looking towards the end of the year, we've got to remember that once the holidays hit, our reaction time from our clients, response time, sales cycles elongate. So you want to get ahead of the storm now. No matter what you're selling, I don't care if you're selling washing machines, software, or advertising, always be looking to get ahead of the storm. Hey, let's get together and talk about next year. If nothing else, you're planting seeds to help them be thinking about, hey, it's budget time. Let's get some things figured out before the holidays hit. You're never going to go wrong trying to get ahead of the storm. Never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy. We're the chosen few, friends, and you'll feed your family for a lifetime if you follow some good advice and you get out there and get things done. All right, love to help you speak at your national sales meeting. Reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. All right, we'll see you next week.